This is the toughest creature in the known universe. The tardigrade is microscopic, but it is practically invincible. You can freeze it to absolute zero, place it in a volcano, or even throw it into the vacuum of space. It survives by drying out and turning its body into a dormant, glass-like shield. It can stay paused for 30 years before waking up to a drop of water. It will likely outlive every other animal on Earth. Camera shutters, car alarms, chainsaws. One bird makes them all. The superb lyrebird has the most advanced vocal system in nature. It doesn't just sing songs, it creates perfect copies of any sound it hears. Camera shutters, car alarms, even industrial machinery. It is so accurate, it completely fools other animals in the forest. It is nature's living, breathing tape recorder.